Hi. In my short span of life, I have met a lot of people who say that life is unfair and they never get the fruits of their hard work. So, this happens to a lot of us, and when this happened to me, even I asked the questions like, why me? Out of all the people in the world, why me? I'm not doing anything bad to anyone, I'm not wishing bad for anybody. But still, I have to go through all this. At the same time, I know people who have done bad things but still gets to live a good life. So why is that? None of us are in the same journey. None of us are in the same path. None of us are traveling to the same destination. We all have our own unique journey. We all have our own unique destination. So, to explain it better, let me give you an example. If your neighbor is traveling to a beach and you want to climb Mount Everest, will you ever be upset thinking that he reaches earlier than you do, or he doesn't have to climb a mountain to reach the beach? I don't think you will ever think that way, right? Because you understand beach is great, and that's a totally different experience than climbing Mount Everest. Climbing Mount Everest must be tough. It takes a long time. It takes a lot of effort, strength. You might even die. But when you are on top of the world, it's worth it. And the view is so great, and you get to live that experience. It's also about the climb, the journey, and also about the view that you have from there. So you will never compare yourself with anybody who is traveling to anywhere else, because you know where you're going. But there is one thing which you can be totally sure of. If you plant a mango seed, you will never reap apples. So it is like each of us are planting our own trees, our own seeds, and the timelines are different for each of these trees to flower, to give you the fruit. Some things just happen quickly, for some it takes time. So you will never compare results of your work with anybody else, because they are not planting the same seed like you are doing. They are not planting the same tree that you are planting. So one thing that you can be 100% assured is that you will get the results of your hard work. But when will it happen? That's not under your control. There are a lot of factors which come into play. There are a lot of things which you can't control. Just like the environment and the soil, the quality of air and water, everything matters when it comes to bearing fruit. Same with any other plant. When does it blossom? When does it flower? It's not under your control. And two different flowers doesn't look the same. It looks different. And when I talk about reaching a destination in your life, or when I talk about getting the fruits of your hard work, I am not talking about a real destination, reaching somewhere in your job or getting a lot of money. No, I am talking about the state of mind that you will reach, maybe when you're old. So a rich man and a poor man can feel the same level of happiness if they are content inside. How much money they have, which position they hold in the company, really do not matter. What matters is how you feel inside. If you feel that you have lived a good life, that could be the source of happiness. And that's all that you need. That's all that we are all aspiring for. That's all we are dreaming for, a state of mind. And oftentimes we fail to realize that we chase a state of mind and nothing outside. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.